Part 3, Supporting Procedures. Safety around our equipment and tools is not negotiable. First, you must only use company-supplied tools and sharps. Personal tools are not permitted without proper authorization, inventory, and approval to ensure our equipment is maintained to the highest safety and quality standards. When using any sharp tool, always be focused and handle it with extreme care. When passing a sharp tool to a coworker, always hand it to them hilt first. Do not leave loose tools in the production area. It is your responsibility to clean and sanitize your equipment with the company's supplied 70% alcohol solution between jobs. At the start of a production run, you are responsible for ensuring all product contact surfaces like the packing table, leak detector, finished product conveyor belt, and scale plate are cleaned and sanitized. After doing so, you must sign off at the top of the nonconformance tally log. This is a critical step for preventing cross-contamination and is required for the production of food contact materials. You will also be specifically trained on the safety features of every machine you operate. This includes knowing where all e-stops are and respecting interlock safety gates. These gates are designed to keep you safe and should never be bypassed, tampered with, or disabled. Finally, your role includes reporting any defective or unsafe equipment immediately. If you see a foreign object like broken glass or metal on the production floor, don't touch it. Report it immediately to your supervisor so that they can handle it appropriately. When a non-conforming product is found, we must follow a strict hold procedure to ensure it never reaches the customer. The product is physically removed from the line and placed in a designated area. This isn't about calling attention to a mistake. It's a team effort to protect our customers and our brand from a bad product. The Shift QC will then complete and attach a bright red blow molding hold tag to the product, noting the material, not information. If the quality manager decides the product can be reworked, a rework work order will be assigned in our ERP system, and you will fill out a rework log. Once a pallet is completed, you must place a green circle sticker on it. The sticker signals that the product has been successfully reworked and is ready to be returned to the production flow. The rework log is then verified by the shift lead and submitted to the quality manager. This entire process is a critical part of our quality system, ensuring all products meet our standards and are fully traceable. In our continuous effort to improve, we must ensure we remain comfortable to acknowledge mistakes, as the ultimate consequence of not doing so is failure. We all suffer from the consequences of rework, and it is everybody's job to fix it because shared accountability is required for success and growth. To keep our facility clean and organized, we use a color-coded bin system. This is a crucial part of our waste management and contamination control procedures. The red bin is for rejected and defective products. Do not pack any products from this bin. We also use red shovels for handling contaminated or other scrap materials and white shovels for handling clean resin and regrind. For good bottles, we use two different colors. Yellow bins are for bottles from our EBM machines, and blue bins are for good bottles from our RHSB machines. It is important that these bins remain intact so that the finished product can be used from them. A polyliner bag must be used inside these bins if they become dirty or worn out to protect all food contact materials from becoming contaminated. The polyliner bag should be changed daily, and you must ensure that hot contents are not placed inside the side to prevent the bag from melting. The green bin is specifically for good HDPE resin, not regrind. Black buckets are for oil and water containment from our machines and equipment. The gray or black bin is for general garbage and non-recyclable waste. Remember, if any product touches the floor, it is considered contaminated and must be placed in the designated scrap, chunks, and bottles bin. Floor sweepings are considered general garbage and should never be put in with other materials. Our scrap and regrind control procedures are designed to maintain material integrity and minimize waste. You must never mix different types of plastic resin, like PET and HDPE. As a best practice, use clean regrind on the same machine with the same material and color. The material we recoup and reuse is carefully controlled and monitored for quality. For accountability, we use a color-coded labeling system. Regrind accountability tags are for our internal tracking. The green tags go on good regrind that is clean and ready for use. If a material becomes contaminated, even with a small amount of non-plastic debris, it gets a red regrind accountability tag. Separately, we use specific scrap stickers for any regrind or plastic that cannot be used and is being sold. This system ensures we properly track all materials, whether they are used in-house or sent out of the facility. You must make sure to remove all original labels to avoid any confusion. A robust traceability system is the bedrock of all successful operations. When traceability is not upheld, operations are not in control, and this will be evident. Traceability is a key part of our quality system. It's our ability to trace a product backward to its raw material and forward to the customer. This starts with every material having a unique lot code given to it at the time of the receiving. We must maintain this chain of information by correctly labeling everything, from the incoming resin to the final packaged goods. We also follow the first in, first out, or FIFO principle. This is a stock rotation method to ensure that older inventory is used before newer inventory, which maintains product quality. Our ERP system is like a digital map that tells us where everything is. Your accurate labeling and scanning helps us create that map. Preventing pests is a critical part of our food safety system. You are our first line of defense. If you find any signs of pests, do not panic, but please report them to your supervisor immediately. Remember, any pests found on or near food contact materials are considered a high-risk contamination. For your safety and to prevent the problem from spreading, do not try to handle the issue yourself. Also, remember to keep doors closed and report any holes or gaps in the building that could allow pests to enter. Your safety is our number one priority. We need your help to keep our workplace safe by reporting all accidents, injuries, and near misses immediately. A near miss is any incident that could have resulted in an injury but didn't. Reporting these events helps us correct potential issues and prevent them from causing a real injury in the future. Always report to your supervisor so we can properly document the incident and take corrective action. Part 4, Final Summary. To summarize, remember two words: protect and prevent. Protect yourself by always wearing your PPE and following safety rules. Protect our products by being vigilant and reporting any issues immediately. The procedures we've reviewed today are all part of our HACCP plan, which is designed to prevent biological, chemical, and physical hazards from contaminating our products. This is how we prevent mistakes, prevent injuries, and prevent contamination. Your role in this is crucial. If you have any questions, please speak with your supervisor. Your voice is our best tool for prevention. Thank you for your commitment to a safe and quality-focused workplace.